Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be YouTubing the car accident of this Audi 2007 A6. So right now I'm sitting inside it. It's very cold outside, it's warm in here. So right now I'm going to give y'all a preview of inside. Front airbag, passenger airbag, side airbag, seat airbag. I would have been sitting right there. Sister was sitting right here. Mom sitting right here. Just imagine sitting right here and being hit from the side. Let's go outside. Oh. That is my Audi. Go from the back. 3.2 Quattro. And then to the side. It's pretty badly wrecked. Teenager driving on his phone. So that's what happens when you're on your phone. Don't use your phone and drive. My sister got a concussion. My mom got some burnt hands. Car's pretty dirty. It's been sitting there over like 3 years now. Yeah, the motor works perfectly fine. It just won't start because the battery's dead. Ow. My head. Now if we take a look under the hood, come on. There we go. Look at this engine, V6. Everything's fine with it, except you. Battery. That's why it won't start. And we have a trunk full of tires. Yes, tires. Oh. Boom. Old tires. We had just spent like $3,000 repairing it from the last owner. And then 2 months later, here comes a texting teenager, slams into our mom's car. Hate when people text and drive. Okay guys, that'll be wrapping it up for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.